Right, just come out of the gym, done a massive session with Dom, my gym instructor. He wrote me out a 3-day plan doing upper body and lower body. So I've got day 1 is sort of chest and back and lower back as well, upper back and lower back. I've got day 2 which is legs and tricep, and then my day 3 is biceps and shoulders. That was a good hour and a half, which was really good. Ran through a lot of nutritional stuff, gave me a better insight as well. Which there's nobody behind me. Done a bit of a nutritional lesson as well about supplements, which ones to use, which not to. We also talked a bit about steroids and that, and how that can affect your body. Yeah, it was a really good session. I'm just on the way to walk into Dave's now to do the race car for a bit and talk about the race weekend I'm going to vlog about. I'll put a video up about that as well. Just walking there now. I had a bit of a run from the gym, but as you can see, the weather is absolutely beautiful today. It's so hot and it's quite windy, but it's a nice breeze. But yeah, just going to Dave's now, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit.